anthills, and that's what makes our canyons. Not the anthills, but the hills. And here, the anthills blow away immediately, so to the trees, son. Good boy. We had a strange tree die off over the last year. Lost a bunch of our trees. They were all getting the same kind of water treatment, everything. Same thing at the neighbors and their tree lines that are on a drip line. Come on around. Come on around. All the way. All the way. All the way. That's a good boy. Now you have to stay wide enough to not take out the tree. That's okay. You're okay. It's all right. That was a four-wheeler going by. It startled him. I don't blame him. Some of the kids really slow down. Look at that. You made it all the way through all of them today. What a good boy. Nope, nope. We aren't going that direction to get to the barn. We're going out here to check noses. Yes, we're going out to check noses. I have a feeling these babies are being taught by their mamas. You stay away from those things. So we aren't having snake bites this year, which pleases me a lot. But it's usually the yearlings and 2-year-olds, and we have them all locked up, which makes me happy because it keeps our medicine costs down. Hello, Will. Hello, Brennan. Look at you, good boy. Say hello, Stormy. Can you make it up the hill? No, we're going in. Walk on. To right here. Good boy. Whoa. Okay, first doodlebug gets out. The passengers always get out first. Whoa. Nope, you wait. Good boy.